Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. All links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using VPN. In this VPN review, we'll take a deep dive into the service and my experience using it. If you're thinking about subscribing to this VPN, I've provided convenient links in the description below. VPN is specifically designed for individuals who value online privacy, robust security, and seamless access to geo-restricted content worldwide. It boasts a comprehensive suite of features, beginning with military-grade encryption, ensuring your online activities remain private and secure. With VPN, you can connect to a network of over 100 servers spanning more than 30 countries. This extensive server network is perfect for bypassing geographical restrictions and maintaining your online privacy. Whether you're securing sensitive data on public Wi-Fi or accessing content from different regions, VPN offers a simple and dependable solution. The service is compatible with a wide array of platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and even Reuters, ensuring compatibility with almost any device you own. A noteworthy feature is the double VPN option, which routes your internet traffic through two separate servers, adding an extra layer of security. This is an excellent choice for users seeking maximum online privacy. VPN also adheres to a strict zero-log policy, meaning they don't monitor or retain any data about your online activities, further strengthening your anonymity. The service is user-friendly, featuring an intuitive app interface that's easy to navigate for both novice and experienced users. Regarding performance, VPN delivers respectable speeds. However, like most VPNs, it might slightly reduce your connection speed depending on the chosen server location. In conclusion, VPN presents a solid option for anyone seeking a dependable, no-frills VPN service that prioritizes security, privacy, and global content access. If you're searching for a VPN that effectively balances features, usability, and privacy, VPN is definitely worth exploring. Check out the links in the description to see if it meets your specific needs.